There's another option to fit here should the original not be available, so I'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial how to replace this battery with info on the best one to use. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Depending on your terminals, which might have been replaced at some point, especially on older cars like these, the spanner size might differ, but a 10, 12 or 13 mm is most common. Then for the bracket, yours might look different, but it basically has these J-bolts that unhook at the bottom once you have the nuts loosened. What's important here is to get the positive and negative orientation right on the new battery, since the negative cable is very short, but I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, start by fitting the bracket and then the positive cable first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. The screwdriver is to extend the clamp while fitting the terminal instead of slamming it into place. Then also tighten the nuts just up to the point where the terminal can't move around by hand anymore. You want a solid connection that won't come free from vibration, but also not over tighten the nuts. The battery we used is a 70 amp hour EFB if you're happy with around 2 to 3 years lifespan. Alternatively, the 90 amp hour version with much more cranking amps would be the best option. Since EFB is overkill, a normal flooded battery in this size should be more affordable as well. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.